Hey guys, Mona from My Limit is Me here. Hope you guys are doing well. I coming to you with a video that is a bit of a follow-up from the last one because if you remember I did a plan with me with my own sticker kit in my Stalogy A5 and it I'm very happy with the layout I have for next week and it works for the Stalogy, but I had the measurements for the Hobonichi Weeks a little bit off. And in order to fix that, I went in and changed firstly the height of the checklist because I apparently had measured it by the drawing instead of the cut line. And I also made the daily headers a little bit thinner because I thought they were too big. And I also changed the date uh, um, shape to a circle so the number fits well. And what I thought I would do today is actually go in a Hobonichi Week like planner that I already have and see how it works out. And I'm really happy with how this looks, so much so that I'm trying to find an excuse to use this planner actively because I really like how it turned out. I could probably have gone back and placed the first washi sticker a little bit better, but this the sticker sheet I'm using this time is different from the one I use normally, and it's not so forgiving when it comes to changing the position. So I thought I wouldn't test my luck, so I left it as it were, and it doesn't bother me. So it fits, it measures right, so that's all that matters. And the same goes for the daily headers and the checklist. I'm really happy about how they look. So so yeah, I'm keeping it as that, and I will be changing the positioning of the headers on the sticker sheet itself because I realized while filming this that the Sunday had been placed first for some reason. I think when I changed the sizing, they all fit in one line, and I just moved Sunday to the part in the front because it was where the space was available. But for me, that's not very intuitive. So I would almost put Sunday down by mistake on Monday, and that's not good. So yeah, and I'm doing well what is natural for me, at least to the layout. I have not used the Hobonichi Weeks actively ever, so the right page is sort of a mystery for me. I think people do more or less what they want with it, and to me that's the same that I use the tracking column in my bullet journal. I'm putting up the habit tracker, the meal planning next week, this week, and the habit trackers. And I like how that looks, and I think I've got the space for the important things. And the post-it notes I use to mark down events or appointments that I have already. And as you can see, I also added a couple of computer stickers with a penguin on them. And that's because I designed that I draw that computer sticker this a couple of days ago, and I thought I would add it because I want to add functional stickers to the weekly kits because it's more natural to use that than decorative stickers, or at least have a balanced mix of both. The only reason I don't have more of them is because I haven't drawn them yet. So that will come in the future. So I have the Happy Mail icon, I have the computer, and that's about it. So to mark down the meal planning, I just use the cloud sticker. And for this week and next week, I'm using the penguin and the star because why not? And for the post-it notes for Monday and Friday, I'm using stickers from other shops that I have, which is a uh, funny thing. I'm using stickers more now, or more easily now, because somehow I always thought I have to be careful with the stickers I like because I can run out of them. But now that I can print whatever I like, and if I don't find anything I like, I can draw it myself. I'm pretty happy using what I have, and I think that's a good thing. I've been thinking about using this planner as on-the-go planner because I don't bring the Stalogy with me everywhere, and it's nice to have somewhere to write down things that are related to appointments or things that happen. So that's the well, maybe the plan. We'll see. I have used this planner before for social media like YouTube and Instagram and such, and it works in the sense that I note down the statistics, the when I upload and things, but I only use it when I'm planning. I don't use it for reference or I don't update it, so it's not functional. It doesn't serve any purpose other than looking nice. And that's not. I know that could be a reason in itself. I understand people actually using planners for that purpose, but I don't. I'm trying out this sticker kit because I think it's the responsible thing to do, and I thought I would share the process with you. But it's not something I could do with sticker kits. I have just used them for the fun of putting them down. It would feel like a waste. So I wouldn't do that. But if I can use it as a planner on the go for having in the bag or something, I might do that with my own or with sticker kits I already have. We'll see. Probably both because I can. And yeah. Besides the computer sticker, I've also drawn out some ice cream stickers and some coffee cups with penguins on them. And I'm finishing up a rainy day sticker with a penguin and an umbrella, which is awesomely cute. And that will be coming up to the shop the upcoming week, I think. So I'm making them for myself and sharing for whoever might be interested. So yeah, that's how far I've come with that, and it's surprisingly fast. I thought I would be making a design a week or every 2 weeks or something, but I think I'm right now in the starting phase, and I want stickers of everything, so I will be drawing stickers about everything I can come up with, and if I do, I'll let you guys know. So if you're interested in the watching whatever is put in the shop, you just have to click on the link in the description of this video, and I think if you favorite the shop, you will get notifications every time something new is uploaded. So if you're interested or curious, that's a way to do that. But yeah, I'm having fun with it, so that's about it with the Hobonichi Weeks and the sticker kit and everything related to that. And I thought I would share with you decorating my memory keeping journal as well while I was at it, because I ran out of space and I needed a few more pages prepared for some journaling. And I know I could decorate pages way in advance, but that somehow puts me off writing because I feel disconnected to the actual decorating. I know why I'm choosing a blue theme, for example, for these 2 pages. And I know that the next 2 pages, which were sort of, I wanted to go with a blue theme for all 4 pages, but I changed my mind midways because I found some cute coffee themed stickers and I went with coffee instead. Very typical me. And I know that's going to work either way with whatever comes to that. When I'm writing on those pages, I won't mind. But I know that what I want to write next is about a trip to a town near the sea, so I thought blue theme was appropriate. And as always, I pulled out a lot more than what I needed, so I won't be using half of it because the pages are only so and so big. There's no space for all of that. But I put down some under the sea washi tape in the bottom, and I use some stickers from this sticker album I just threw down here. And in these sticker albums, I have my flake stickers. That's what they're called, I think. And I normally have them in plastic bags for sending to pen pals or Happy Mail and stuff like that. But for my own personal use, I prefer to have them in sticker books so I can flip through the book and see what I have. And I have some blue themed washi stickers in that sticker album, so that's the reason I pulled that one out. and I end up using a couple of those. These washi I'm putting down right now, and post-it note, and also I'm going to use a sticker from the same. Uh, I received it from a pen pal in Japan, and I used one of them before, and this one had a blue sweater or cardigan or whatever it is, and I thought it was fitting, and it gives the spread a little bit more of color besides the blue. And lastly, I'm putting down a couple of circular random stickers, blue stickers, and a blue post-it note with a unicorn whale, because why not? And I don't know. I like how it turns out, and it's going to give me plenty of room to write about what I want to write about. And after that, I'll go to the next page, and looking for things to put down, I'll find my coffee stickers and use them instead. So I'm very happy about this book. I'm surprised about how constant I've been since March. I think I started this, and I've been writing a few times a week, almost every week, which is fairly consistent considering how I am. So so yeah, I'm very happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoy the process and what you're seeing so far. The upcoming week, I intend to make a video at least about the plan with me for June and the first week of June. And yeah, June starting on a Monday 1st. That's very satisfying. Makes layouts very, very easy. And yeah, I will be uh, getting that done by the end of the week, I guess, because I've got the exam on Wednesday and I don't have much time before that. And I'll be working a lot after that in order to catch up, because I've got days off in order to get that exam done. So my amount of free time won't be all that great, but I think I'll manage to get the plan with me for June up by the weekend at least. And if I find that I have some time spare to spend, I'll upload something different, and maybe some pen paling letters or some happy mail if I get some. Which on the bright side, I got some nice writing paper the other day from that was ordered from AliExpress before, no, after April 1st, and that's good news because I haven't received anything from that I've ordered from there in about 2 months. And I normally, well, I don't order that much, but when I do, it sort of comes all during the same couple of weeks, depending on the shops that send it and customs and the current pandemic and everything. But I got the first order in the mail last week, which means I probably will be, I will start receiving the rest in the upcoming week or two, I hope. To me, that's good news, because after customs changed the regulation here on April 1st, that wasn't a sure thing. So I'm very happy about that. So I might share with you whatever I get in the mail. I don't know if that's interesting. Let me know. If not, I'll keep doing what I'm doing and adding to it because I feel like it. And this is what I like doing. It's about decorating. It's pen, paper, washi, stickers, anything like that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave you guys to the rest of this because I'm almost done and I've run out of things to talk about. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please leave a like. Feel free to dislike if you didn't. Subscribe if you want to stick around and see more content like this, and leave a comment if you've got anything to say. I always like to hear what you think about what I do, or if you got suggestions or feedback or whatever. It's really nice. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Have a nice day. Bye.